Hey guys, today I want to show you how to create your own mass emails or at least send out one of the email templates. I'm mainly doing this for the Chattanooga office at this time because I do not have access to their database yet. So I want to show you guys in chat how to create um, those holiday emails or how to send out mass emails to them because we are seeing people get some loans off of sending out these mass emails. So I'm going to show you what to do. It should take you 10 minutes or less to do this. So let's just get started. I'm going to sign in under Sean because I'm going to set up his Thanksgiving email to go out and show you guys how to do that. So once you get into the Lightning version of JUNGO, you're going to go ahead and you're going to switch over to Classic. And then once you get in here, just scroll on down to these tabs on the left-hand side. And first you might want to check out what kind of email templates are available. And so this is selected here. It's going to be the holiday series, but that won't all necessarily be selected. So you have all these different options, and so that's what you're going to choose is holiday series. And you can go down here and actually choose between numerous templates for every holiday of what you want to send. My favorite, I'll show you this one right here. It's really cute. That's the one I sent you guys in the email, the previous email. But I actually like this one with the turkey dancing across here. I think it's super fun, and I think the message is really sweet. So, anyways, I'm going to use that one for Sean for this year. Plus, he's been using this a couple years, so this will be a new Thanksgiving email since he's already sent some of the previous templates. So I'm going to choose this one, and also you can go ahead and send yourself a test template right here to your email. And I'm just going to go ahead and put in a contact I know that Sean's closed loan on, which is on my husband. So let me see here. Then I have to put in my email address, but if you're logging into your own account, you should be able to just enter your own and push OK, and it'll send this to me in the next couple minutes. So you can make sure that at the bottom here that your signature is coming in clear. So there that is. So you're sending yourself a test, and I've already received this, so I know that it's good. So I want to go back to the home screen. So I'm just going to back her up a little bit, go back to the very first page, and show you guys how to set up your mass email. Here we go. So you go into mass email, and of course I already have a database set up for Sean, or basically an email list set up for him. But what you're going to do, I'm just going to go in here, I'm going to edit, and you guys can see the view that you'll see. So just put the name of whatever you want to call your email list right here. And then you're going to set it up over here as well as the field. You put a field in the field area, you put account name equals, and then you put your name and database, or whatever you call it in your system under account name that shows just your client. So I've got Sean Ireland database and just the information we want seen in that email list. And then you can choose who all gets to see this, and then you can go ahead and press save, and that will save your email list right there. So we're going to go back here, and as you can see, it's got all of Sean's contacts, all 2,471. So after you got your email list, you're going to go to next. Then we're going to go in here, and you get to choose your template that you want to use. And we chose that Thanksgiving too, with the turkey dancing across saying gobble gobble. And then mass email name. And I believe in this, you get to put it's kind of like the subject line of what comes up in there. So I like to put just Happy Thanksgiving from Sean Ireland. So there's that. And then this is so sad, guys, but I can't remember when Thanksgiving is, but I know it's next Thursday. So we're looking at the 28th. So we're going to send this out on November the 28th, and you can choose what time it goes out. A lot of people check their email at 10 a.m. And we have that on the 28th at 10 a.m. So these are going to go out on that date. And you get to choose what time. This is not always correct on here, so make sure you choose Central Standard Time if you're in Central, and then Eastern Standard Time if you're in Eastern Time. So that's all you have to do right there. And then make sure that you have the date right, because if you don't and you push send, it will send them out right then and there. Also, you can get one of these copies sent to yourself. So blind copy me on this message, and then store an activity for each message. So it'll show on each person's, like each of your contacts, where they received a holiday card. So on the where it says like last touch, it should show you that, so you know that you last sent something to them on 11/28. So there that is. So I'm going to press send, and it's going to save it in the system. Your emails have been submitted for processing. So that's going to be saved in there and ready to go, and it'll automatically send out for me on November 28th on Thanksgiving. So that right there is how you send a mass email. And in the future, I will show you guys how to create your own mass email. So if you want to send stuff every couple of weeks, which has proven to be effective, like do email campaigns, then we'll do that. But for my chat folks especially, that right there is how you send a holiday email. Okay? Please holler at me if you have any questions. I would love to help you. And I just hope everybody has an awesome Thanksgiving. And as always, your marketing girl, Chelsea, is always here for you if you need anything. All right, guys. Rock stars, you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.